Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss regarding the tablet coating equipment. In the previous class we discussed regarding the coating up of the tablet. So what are the types of coating, like the sugar coat, that is the film coating, or the enteri coating. So in today's class we are going to discuss regarding the equipments which are used for the coating up of tablets. So when coming to the equipment, so generally there are three types. One is the conventional coating pan, or the traditional coating pan, or the standard coating pan, and one is the perforated coating pan, and one is the fluidized bed coating pan, or the fluidized bed coater. So when coming to the first method, that is the conventional that is the coating pan. So in this, so here you can see this is the conventional coating pan. So it contains a circular metal pan, okay, so like which is arranged angularly, so means which is fitted on a stand, so at a 45-degree that is the inclined angle. When coming to the size of this coating pan, so it is like from 8 to 60 inches in the diameter, and it is going to rotate in the horizontal axis, so which is fitted up by a motor. So along with that you can see the various pipes, so okay, so which is fitted for spraying up of the coating solutions or to spray the air. Okay, so in this, so we are going to insert the heated air so into the pan on to the that is the tablet surface. Okay, so means you are going to put the tablet in this pan first, then you are going to insert the heat or the that is the heated air on to that of the tablet. So and the air which you are going to insert, that is exhaust by means of ducts. So means it is fitted with the ducts, so like a small opening. So what you are going to insert the air, so that is going to be exhaust, or that is removed by the ducts. Okay, so like you are going to apply the coating solution, so by means of either the spraying or the ladling onto the rotating material, that is the tablet bed. So means you are going to insert the tablet first, then you are going to dry those tablet to remove the moisture. So you are going to insert the dry air, so that is going to dry if any moisture is present. Then you are going to insert the coating solution, so with the inlet or the pipe, so either by ladling or by spraying. Okay, so ladling means simply you are going to pour the coating solution. So when coming to the spraying, so you are going to spray, so with the help of a sprayer. Okay, so if we are going to use the atomizing system, so means like the sprinkler systems, so you are going to reduce the droplet size of the coating solutions, and you are going to spray that liquid coating material on the tablets, that is going to provide you a faster distribution of the solution or the suspension. So means if you are going to use the atomized system or the like the sprinkle system, or like you are going to insert the droplet in a very high speed or pressure, and you are going to reduce the particulate size of the coating solution, so that is going to coat the tablet evenly, and that is going to give you the desired result within the shorter period of time. Okay, so like to improve the drying efficiency, so these conventional or the traditional coating pan, they are modified and they are of three types. One is the Pellegrini system, and one is the immersion sword system, and one is the immersion tube system. So means the same the conventional coating pan system, so if it is fitted with the various like the squad or the tube, so then it is again categorized into like three types. One is the Pellegrini, okay, so like which contains the baffler. Okay, so means which contains the baffler, or like simple the piece of a steel which is insert in that, so like that is going to provide the uniform distribution of the air. When coming to the immersion sword, so like it contains a sword which is fitted directly into the pan. When coming to the immersion tube, so it contains the tube. So like if you are going to modify this conventional coating pan, you are going to get the desired result in a very fast and accurate time. So when coming to the first, that is the Pellegrini. Okay, so in this system it has baffled pan and a diffuser, so that is going to distribute the drying air uniformly over the that is the tablet bed surface. So means which contains the baffle or which is fitted with the small metal piece in the center, so that is going to easily rotates the tablet in all the directions. So once you are going to apply the air, that is going to distribute uniformly onto the surface of each of the tablet. So like if it is like simple that is the stainless steel tank, so then the tablet is going to rotate and there will be not proper uniform rotation, so the tablet is going to come down. So here in the downside or bottom side, so there will be not a perfect movement or not even all the tablets are being coated. To make that coating efficient, so you are going to insert one baffle or one metal piece, okay, so which is made up of stainless steel. So that is going to provide you a uniform rotation of the tablet bed, and so once you are going to so insert the hot air, so that is going to distribute uniformly, or the coating solution, so that is going to distribute uniformly on each and every tablet. Okay, so when coming to the second one, that is the immersion sward. Okay, so in this system, so the drying air is introduced through the perforated metal sward. So means you are going to take one sword or one pipe, you are going to directly insert that sword or pipe that is into the that is the stainless steel coating pan to the bottom. So it has the opening at the bottom, so means you are going to introduce the air at the or the coating solutions at the bottom of the tank. So and apart from that, the sword, so it is going to provide you the uniform rotation, that is the rotation of the tablet bed. So these tablets, so they are baffled or they are like so easily rotated by using that sword. Okay, so like here you are going to introduce the drying air, so to the perforated metal sword. So the sword which is having the opening at the bottom, so which is immersed in the tablet bed. Okay, so then the drying air so flows upward from the sword. So means you are going to insert the air at the bottom of the tank, so that is going to come to the upward movement. So there will be more efficient drying environment, since the air is more intimately mixed with the wetted tablet. So means the air is circulated throughout the tank and it is easily mixed with the tablet, that is the wet tablet, and you can easily dry the wet tablet. And the coating solution is also applied to the atomized spray system. So means as already discussed, so like your sprinkler spray system, that is the atomized spray system. So you are going to insert the coating solution, so again it is uniformly distributed, and again so like there will be more uniform distribution of air and there will be more uniform distribution of the coating solution. So the tablet is going to coat over it in a shorter period of time, and you are going to get the efficient results by using the immersion sword system. So when coming to the immersion tube system, so as same that of the immersion sword, but it contains the tube. Okay, you are going to insert the tube at the bottom. Okay, so then this tube is going to deliver the heated air and spray nozzle, so which is built at the tip of the tube. So like the tube is sealed, and at the bottom there will be one small nozzle or opening, so through that you are going to provide the air as well as the coating solution, as both of them are applied simultaneously. Okay, so then it is going to dry as well as the air is going to flow upward. There will be more uniform distribution of the air and the coating solutions. And so like the exhaust air or the air is exhausted by the conventional duct, that is the opening, or there will be separate that is the vent for the passage of the air. So it is dried or exhaust easily, and the coating solution is also going to applied uniformly throughout the tablet or the tablet bed. Here you can see the so this is the conventional that is the coating pan. Okay, so again, so if you are going to modify it, so here you can see there will be the so when coming to the immersion tube system, so there will be the tube, so which is put at the bottom, that is going to spray the air as well as the coating solution simultaneously, and as well as there will be the exhaust pan. Okay, so there will be the atomizer to spray the coating solution, as you can see the air sac also, and there will be the exhaust, so means that is going to remove the or the duct that is going to remove the heated air once the tablets are being dried. When coming to the immersion sward systems, here you can see the sward, so which is inserted in the coating pan. So again same, so it is going to provide more efficiency in coating as well as in spraying the that is the hot air as well as the coating solution. So here when coming to the Pellegrini pan system, so it contains the baffle, so like in between there will be the small metal pieces are arranged, so that is going to cut or that is going to make separate the tablet from one another, so there will be more efficient coating up of the tablet, so tablet is not going to stick to one another, so there will be more efficient and there will be more accurate tablet that is the coating up of the tablet.